This is Amber from WANJIA Window and Door. Today I am in our vinyl workshop. All the vinyl windows and doors of us are produced from this workshop. Today I will show you how to produce a vinyl window. Please follow me. First, a window starts from the raw material. You can see these are the raw materials of our vinyl windows. First, we need to cut them. Look, this is our cutting machine. You can see this is WANJIA, this is our own machine. And this is a really efficient machine. It can cut 4 vinyl tubes at a time. So you can see we put these materials onto this machine, and it's a computer-controlled machine so that the sizes can be very accurate. Let's have a look. This is a computer. First, our worker will enter the parameters into this computer. Then, this whole machine will do the cutting automatically. In this way, the size will be very accurate. The difference between the needed size and the actual size will be really narrow, nearly zero. So, compared with some manually cutting materials, some manually cutting factories, our windows and doors, the quality will be better. So come here, the well-cutted machine is here. When the frames are cut down, we will use this machine to drill some drainage holes onto the frame. We know that drainage holes are very important for the waterproof performance of a window, right? Let's take a look at the finished ones. Look. Here are some finished drainage holes because they are drilled by the same machine so that they look exactly the same, right? Ensuring the aesthetics of your window. And after this, let's take a look at this one. Because vinyl is a kind of plastic, so we will add some steel structure. Look, like this, they are the steel structure. We will add them into the structure of this vinyl, so it will be stronger. Our worker will put the steel structure into here and then use this machine to fix the screws onto the frame so that you get a very strong vinyl frame. Now let's take a look at the welding process. I will call it one of the most important processes to produce a vinyl window. You can see these are the separated frames that we already cut, right? And to put them together, then we get a frame. So that's what this machine do. Let's take a look. It will put all the 4 frames together and the machine will do it automatically. First, our worker just needs to enter the parameters of the window into the computer. Then the computer will do it automatically. Let's take a look at the corner. Look, our workers put the frame onto this machine and it's really efficient. It can weld 2 windows at a time. The 4 corners will be welded at the same time. So that, look at the corner, the temperature of this device will go up very high immediately to around 260 Celsius degrees. And the corner of this vinyl will be melted immediately. And then the 2 melted corners will put together. Look, that's what this machine do. It put it together and they will form a whole structure. That's the 4 corners will be welded together. We just need to leave it there to cool for several seconds. Then they form an entire window. This kind of window is very strong because these corners are welded together. They don't deform easily. Let's take a look at the finished ones. Because all the corners are welded together, they are very strong. But there is a disadvantage of welding, that there will be some extra material on the corner. So that's what this machine do. You can take a look at this one. This corner is not very clean, right? We use this machine to clean all the extra material from this corner so that you get a nice and beautiful vinyl window frame, like this one. Look, these corners are already cleaned, so it's very beautiful. You get a nice vinyl window. Look at this machine. You can see 2 big mechanical arms here, right? These arms are used to grab the finished frames down the equipment, and it will put these frames onto the wooden plate. We put it into the wooden plate because in this way, when we want to remove them to other place for the next step, we don't need to remove this window frame one by one. manually. That will be slow and cause some damage to the frame. In this way, we use a forklift to lift all the plates and remove it to other places. In this way, they are always stable and the quality is very high. So thank you for watching. That's WANJIA's vinyl window and door workshop. If you need any vinyl window and door, feel free to contact us.